everyone. Today we'll be talking about a storage tank, which is our stomach. Your stomach is a small elastic band made of bands of muscles that stretch as food enters it from the esophagus. As we can remember, we eat our food, and when we swallow, the food goes down to our stomach through our esophagus. What's the purpose for our stomach? The major purpose of the stomach is to store food and release it a little at a time into the small intestine for further digestion. El mayor propósito del estómago es guardar comida y soltarla de a poquito hacia nuestro intestino delgado para continuar la digestión. Look at this image right here. The food comes through the esophagus into the stomach. Here there is a process that we're going to learn today. After this process is completed, the stomach pushes it into the small intestine. In the stomach's lining are thousands of tiny glands filled with gastric juice, also called digestive juice. What does this digestive juice do? Gastric juice is a juice that softens foods, ablanda la comida, kills bacteria, and starts digesting protein foods. Look at this picture right here. This looks like a piece of meat. So the food comes from the esophagus into the stomach, and this liquid that you can see here is the digestive juice, and it begins to digest the food. You see the progress? The powerful muscles of the stomach mash, press, squeeze, and churn the softened food and digestive juices together until a thick liquid is formed. You see how the stomach muscles work? This is how it squeezes and it presses and it churns and it smashes the food that goes into our stomach. Now, carbohydrates stay in the stomach for a short time. Protein foods stay for a long period, but oils and fats stay longer. They can stay up to 6 hours. Los carbohidratos se mantienen en el estómago por un corto tiempo, la proteína por un tiempo más largo, pero los aceites y las grasas se quedan más tiempo. Pueden quedarse hasta 6 horas. Fried foods that have not been chewed well are difficult for the digestive juices to break down. So when you eat your food, make sure you are chewing and chewing and chewing correctly. Don't forget to not drink water while you have food in your mouth. Remember last class's tips. Acuérdense de los tips de la clase pasada. Which things don't need to be digested? ¿Qué cosas no necesitan ser digeridas? Well, water, vitamins, and minerals do not need to be digested. Water is absorbed into the bloodstream without any change. Now, vitamins and minerals are dissolved and then absorbed into the blood. Here we have some vitamins, and they're being dissolved before they go into the bloodstream. Now, we need to be very careful with what we drink because some things can upset our stomach. For example, alcoholic drinks make the stomach red and sore. Dejan el estómago rojo e irritado. So, alcoholic drinks are not good for your stomach. This is all we're going to be talking about today. Let's check out your homework. You're going to work on your quick checkup from page 47. You're going to copy the questions and answer them on your notebook. Remember, you do not need to copy these slides on your notebook. No copien estos slides en su cuaderno. Have a beautiful day, everybody. Bye.